What's up, everybody? This is Clint, and this is going to be a quick and dirty video. It is Friday, and I'm kind of hungry, and I thought I'd make something special and show you guys a cool recipe I've discovered. It's called Ramen Lasagna. Yes, that is right, Ramen Lasagna. And this is the stuff that you're going to need right here. We're going to need some ramen noodles, of course. This is beef flavor, because like lasagna tends to have beef in it. Then we're going to have our mozzarella. We're going to shred this up, make it look really nice. And then we need our marinara sauce right here. And then what you're going to also need is to go and get some of these mini little, pans. I don't know what you kind of call these, but you can find these at the grocery store in the aisle where they sell all, the can openers and knives and stuff like that. So you're going to need 4 of these. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to prep our noodles here. So what you do is you open it up. And then all we're just going to need is the noodles. We're not going to use a seasoning packet. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but this is one big sheet of noodles folded over. You can see the line right here. So what you're going to want to do is just kind of gently break it apart. Oh, and that was my oven. Break it apart like this, so now we have 2 sheets. And then what we're going to want to do is cut this in half. So get a big old knife right here. And then we're just going to cut these in half, like that. Booyah. So there we go. Alright, we're going to want to take our mozzarella and shred this mozzarella. Alright, we got the mozzarella shredded. Alright, so remember we cut up the ramen into little, rectangles there? That's my dog that you hear in the background. So what we want to do is we want to put the first layer in the pans. And then we are going to take our red sauce. And we're just going to do a layer of sauce on each of these. And then we take our mozzarella and do a layer of cheese. Perfect. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take another layer of our ramen and stick it right on top of all of these right here. And then we're going to take our sauce and do it all over again. And then top it with one last layer of cheese. Perfect. So we got our ramen lasagna in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Now, I did not come up with this recipe. How I found out about this recipe, there's a channel on YouTube called Metal Jesus, and they have a playlist called Gamer Eats, and this was one of their recipes over there. And they also have several other recipes that they can do, like something quick and simple, things around the house. So go over there and check them out, and like their channel as well. And alright, so while these are cooking, we'll be right back and I will show you the final product. Alright, the ramen noodles lasagna is done, and I just take it out of the oven, and check this out. I mean, just look at this right here. This looks like mini lasagna. And this stuff is just great. And I mean, we can just take the fork right there and we can just dig in with this. That's real, man, that is awesome. Lasagna is my favorite dish, and I don't get to have it very often. And I don't like the pre-made lasagnas that you get. Those just are disgusting to me. I love homemade lasagna, and anytime I'm going to make lasagna, I'm going to make it homemade. And sometimes when you make the full lasagna, you know, it can get expensive, very time-consuming to cook. But with this, it's like, you know, this hardly costs anything. You know, ramen doesn't cost anything, and you can get this done within, you know, 25 minutes or less. And it's just awesome. Of course, it doesn't taste exactly like homemade lasagna, but it just gives, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. It's just like, you know, if you just want make some lasagna really quickly, and you know, you're just craving that lasagna flavor. I mean, this is great right here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this video like this. I know this is like a really quick and dirty format. You know, I don't have my lights. I'm just using my phone here. But let me know what you guys think, and let me know if there's any other kind of videos you'd like me to make. Anyways, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you on the next one.